What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with another Voted update, and we're just going to start off from the last video that I dropped talking about vechain and all the different catalysts that were on the horizon. Now, overall crypto market is doing nicely, better than we've been seeing in these last, 2 weeks or so. We also have the Volti cards coming within the next 11 days. So if you didn't know, vechain will have physical and virtual cards available for you to be able to spend your cryptocurrency at basically any place that Visa is accepted. That's what we call utility. That's what helps a cryptocurrency thrive. If you wonder, like, how does a crypto project increase in price? It does this by attracting new investors. New investors want to see developments. They want to see, disruptive technologies being developed, like utilities such as this, making it just seamless or a little more easy to be able to access your cryptocurrency and really use it as fiat. So super bullish on that right there. Also, Satoshi says holding a hyper deflationary asset in a non-custodial way feels pretty good these days. vechain. So obviously, we're hyper deflationary. One of the most, I think, if you ask me, the number one hyper deflationary token when it comes to building utilities that all go back into making vechain less and less, decreasing that circulating supply. So that's what we really want to see. And then also vechain has, that spirit of DeFi when it comes to a non-custodial way. Satoshi is saying basically non-centralized, where you control your own assets. No one else is in control of your funds, where you have to wake up one day and find out that everything you own has been taken. So also shout out to Game Bangers dropping content. Shout out to Crypto Latina as well. She says 7 new voted week, 7 new voted days, 168 voted hours. I will be trying to get on her stream probably this week or next week at the latest. So stay tuned for that. That's super bullish. Shout out to her. Shout out to Hinnock Crypto. He says vechain gearing up to target the hottest crypto markets on the planet is bullish. It never stops with Volt marketing and building. When China sees that Volt built during the bear, they'll come rushing in. We're early. So keep that in mind, y'all. It can seem like over these last, 14, 15 months that vechain has been around for a while, but that is fairly young for a real cryptocurrency project. Yes, of course, if we're talking about a pump and dump, like something that just, has this little pump and then it fades away, within the first 2 weeks to a month, 2 months, yeah, that's different. But this is a real solid project that's planning to build for long-term success. So that's what we want to see. With all the news to come, it's time for a Voted giveaway. So $4 $50 ETH will be given away to 4 people in 48 hours. All you have to do is follow us, retweet, like and retweet this tweet, comment with Vote, and tell us which 3 events below will happen first. So what do you think it will be with the Vote cards, the second top 10 centralized exchange, or VotiFlex? If we could throw our bid out there, I would say Vote cards will be coming next, because we did get a timeline the next 11 days. If we get another top 2, if we get that second top 10 exchange within the next 10 days, then we obviously know this is going to be an extremely bullish week for vechain. And also I think VotiFlex is still possibly in that development phase, but if we also got that would be super bullish as well. Think about all the different projects that we are cross promoting with when it comes to those new projects using the VotiChange widget on their website. Now we'll have 2 different widgets possibly. I'm not sure how Satoshi will make this work, if he'll combine it into one widget or keep it 2 separate widgets, where all these different platforms now not only will be using VotiChange but also VotiFlex. So we already have 107 different projects using VotiChange widget on their website. So let's just double that. That's 214 different projects, or uses of these widgets, if we get the VotiFlex widget doing the same thing basically. So that's super bullish right there. Also, be voltish before they are. Satoshi lets us know. Believes Crypto says vechain update, the most voted man in crypto. Salute to Believes. Also, Satoshi says a deflationary exchange, decentralized exchange, automatically listing every ERC20 and BEP20 token, physical and virtual cards, a battle royale game on Steam, a global staking platform for every crypto. All of them either requiring to hold Vote or bring profits back to the Vote the Voltic ecosystem. So obviously, you know, that's all about utility, all about vochainu. And when you make a project that's constantly burning, constantly bringing profits back to the project itself, all that is done for investors. That's something that investors want to see when it comes to like institutional investors or just fundamental investors. When it comes to things like stocks and whatnot, this is what they look for in a solid company. So vochainu is basically, you know, acting as if it's a responsible company when it's, you know, developed in a bear market, meme coin, you know. So this is, you know, really unique what we're seeing here. Also, the Voltic, okay, so we talked about this coming in 11 days. But Toshi says it's still only 15 months that we've started to vote. Found this brochure for vochainu from last year. It was listed on just 6 exchanges and 2 decentralized exchanges. Now it is a project which is listed on more than 110 central and decentralized exchanges. It has its own decentralized exchange, VoltiChange, and more than 100 projects listed there. Volticard, Voltiflex, Voltisoft next. So stay tuned, y'all. Obviously, everything Toshi says that he's going to deliver, we obviously see it come to fruition. So also, Doge and Shib are the only 2 meme coins that stayed in the billions during the whole bear market. Both were launched and building before the 2021 bull run. Bear markets allow you to prepare yourself to vote the bull run. That's exactly what we did for the first 15 months. That's what you want to see, y'all. Shibainu was dead for about the first, 10 months before it really started to take off. Now, granted, vochainu was at 15 months, but Shibainu, had that Elon Musk alley-oop, so that helped things out a lot. And, it was just during, it happened to come right at the perfect time, right as the bull market was launching. So, vochainu will have its time up at bat. Just because we can never vote enough, Satoshi says we will buy back 100,000 worth of vote over the next 10 days. $10,000 buyback every day around 6 p.m. Eastern time on top of the weekly burns and some other upcoming Voltic news. So excited about that, $100,000 buyback. That tells us that not only, do we respect vochainu and are we trying to hold it, Votoshi himself is, hodling vote for, the long term. When the project itself is buying up its own tokens or tokens versus dumping them on the market, that's a very, very good sign that there's more price action to come. So, stay tuned, man. It's not financial advice. Can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but you do not want to miss out on what's coming. So also we got, even the gold supply keeps growing. The only unexpected thing you may find in Volt is a surprise burn from time to time. So here's an article talking about how China has recently discovered a huge deposit of gold worth nearly $3 billion at current market value. So also, Bill B says vochainu is trending yet again, so trust us to dig deeper. Volt is on motion to make all Inu coins deflationary, packing a strong community and blue chip token trading volume. Also, we got higher floor, higher targets, higher voltage. Satoshi just motivating the community right there. Then we got Crypto for Life saying Volt is the 6th most visited cryptocurrency out there as per Binance. Even though Volt is not listed on Binance yet, it's bullish to be featuring on the website. Goes to show that there's no shortage of Volt with Volt. So basically, Binance top 1-2 exchanges in the world were not listed there, but so many people are searching for vochainu on Binance that they have to put us in the trending category of most visited because, they use this category to track, which tokens are they likely to list next. And they're showing us, the demand is high when it comes to vochainu. So usually this is a good sign when we could trend on this section. So, Binance listing to come in the future. Y'all heard me say it here first. So voted to welcome Moeta project as the 107th project adopting the VoltiChange widget. The deflationary adoption keeps growing, and so does the Voltic exposure. So Moeta ERC20 fueling the burn revolution. I like this. I like how they, started off saying that. We'll open that one up and check it out later. So shout out to the Moeta project community. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments if you're already a part of that community. Rodney says, shout out to Volt Army for raiding my chat this morning. No one does it better than the Volt Army. What up? Shout out to Rodney. Then Vatoshi says there's nothing bringing as much adoption as a bull run. Neither Volt nor VoltiChange experienced any yet. And then we got Pablo saying back home tonight we crow at 6 p.m. Let's vote vochainu. And then drop the link right there saying Volt 10-day buyback. So $100,000 being bought back, $10,000 every single day. So 2 major updates in the pipeline. That's it for what is known. start the bull run is bringing out many underperformers to the limelight in the crypto market. Vote Alts Crypto Twitter, the News Crypto Vote So shout out to the News Crypto, 6,000 followers over there talking about Vote in front of their audience. So shout out to them. Also, Vatoshi says 10 days of high voltage exposures, new utilities, burns, all of this coming. So this is probably a sign that VotiFlex is a lot closer than we possibly think. VotiFlex might be dropping this week, y'all. Don't say you didn't hear it. Also, we got shout out to Pablo.
This is Bob Pro. So I got a bullish announcement for you guys. We are going to be giving away 5 billion tokens.
5 billion.
Okay. 5 billion. Okay. If you do the math, 5 billion is a lot of tokens. 1 billion per winner. Okay. And this is how you qualify. This is how you're gonna qualify. 1, you must follow me and vote you official. 2, you must retweet this tweet. 3, you must have a brand new wallet with a minimum of 200 million tokens. Okay? Remember, we will be releasing the Volt debit card here in the next 10 days as well. And in order to be able to use that service, you're going to have 200 million tokens anyways. So here's an opportunity for you to start a fresh new wallet if you are.
So y'all heard it. Start a fresh new wallet. Cop minimum 200 million Volt tokens. Make sure you're following Pablo, Vote me as well. And then retweet, share this, tag a few people. And also tag me. I'll retweet your tweet to make sure, you possibly get a better chance at being seen. So no guarantees there, but, it can't help. So also, we just got a $10,000 buy right there. The first buyback. Voted. 9 more to go. So you can see Vatoshi is a man of his word. Also, we got the VDSC Battle Royale will be live on Steam within the next 10 days. So something really big is happening with this number 10. You notice all these different catalysts are, within that 10-day time frame. So super bullish time frame right now. You can see, even if you check the charts, Vote is responding, nicely to this potential major catalyst that everybody's waiting for. So I think there's a potential to see the price break out to over that 2,000 level. Let's take a look at the charts really quick. Shout out to Jazz as well and Mike the Investor. Now let's check out Vote charts. So Vote at that 1843 level, y'all know we were just down in that 1716 range for a little a moment over here, right in this range. Then we started to sell off all the way down to that 1400 level before bouncing back and coming to where we are now around that 1800 points per coin level. So super bullish times right now for Vote It is still very early. Right now we are sitting at $96 million market cap. That's what we like to see. Let me adjust this so y'all can see it. Okay, there we go. So you can see we're trading, in the 7. We dipped down once we tried to break this resistance point right here. We failed. We tested it, failed, came down to test this 1,400 points per coin level, and now we're back around the 18s. I think our Bollinger Band right here at that 2,000 level per points per coin. I think that's our resistance point. Once we break above that, we should, be outside of this previous resistance line we drew here, which we can hold this as a support. That's going to be super bullish for Volt, and we will take off from there. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So all we got for this video, man. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Hit that like button on the way out. We are out.